Aloha! Welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappy. We got a great episode today. First up, we're going to do a little bit of a shout out. I'm going to make a tiki drink, and then we got Appies with Chappy by the lake, but we're doing something different. Every once in a while, there's a little dog named Badger that comes down the beach and visits me when I have food. So today, Badger's invited me over for margaritas and appetizers. So that's where we're going to have Appies with Chappy by the lake over at Badger's place. First up, we're going to do a shout out. This shout out goes to my good friend Charlie over at Cooking Secrets for Men. He does some amazing dishes, and he has some really cool interviews with people in Milwaukee that are making a difference. So in honor of Charlie, I'm going to make a drink that actually originated in his hometown of Milwaukee. So this drink is called a Lost Voyage, and I'm actually getting it from Easy Tiki by Frenchenette. In the book, Easy Tiki, it says, at the Foundation Tiki Bar in Milwaukee, bartender Michael Kotke has been serving Tiki classics alongside a menu of original South Sea inspired cocktails for years. His Lost Voyage comes from their latest menu and builds on a split base of aged Martinique Rum and Amontillado Sherry, a pairing that lends a dryness to the drink, while cinnamon syrup adds depth, and both lemon and orange juices contribute to their signature kick. So again, this is from the Foundation Tiki Bar in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, home of my good friend Charlie and his YouTube channel, Cooking Secrets for Men. So go check out Cooking Secrets for Men and tell them Chappy sent you. So I'm just gonna make it easy on myself. I'm gonna build it over ice. I have my tiki mug full of crushed ice, and calls for an ounce of cinnamon simple syrup. I'll put the link up on my Chicago episode. I make a cinnamon simple syrup. So that's 1 ounce of cinnamon simple syrup. 1 ounce of lemon juice. 1 ounce of freshly squeezed orange juice. And then 1 1/2 ounce of Martinique Rum. And 1 1/2 ounce of Amontillado Sherry. And then I have a nice umbrella garnish, of course. And that's a Lost Voyage. So coming up next, we're going down the beach. We're gonna go visit Badger the little dog, and he's gonna make me a margarita, and we're gonna have appetizers. So check it out. Got a deer and some Canadian geese. And that is apple blossoms. So the white house with the yellow trim is where Badger lives. And we're just on our way down for margaritas. Hey, Badger. All right, so this is the appetizer we have at Badger's house. We got some nice Italian burrata cheese. So we're gonna roast up these cherry tomatoes. We got olive oil and balsamic vinegar, some oregano, and then the smashed garlic and basil is going to go on at the end, and it's going to be drizzled with some more balsamic vinegar. So this is going to go into the oven at 450 for around 10 minutes. And then we're going to have like lots of nice juices to go with the fresh burrata. So stay tuned for that. All right, now we have Badger's mom's secret margarita recipe. She's been busy. That's the juice from 24 limes. That's the juice that you get from 24 limes. So the secret recipe is 1 ounce of high-end top shelf tequila made with 100% agave, and ½ ounce of Cointreau, 2 ounces of the fresh lime juice, and it's going to be shaken. I really like her margarita glasses. I may go home with a couple. And then she's going to, before it's poured, we're going to salt the rim, more lime wedges as a garnish, and that's going to be margarita night.
Don't forget the Grand Marnier floater.
Oh, and we're going to do a Grand Marnier floater at the end. And we're going to brush the crostinis with garlic and olive oil.
Mm-hmm.
All right. All right, this is margarita time. So we got the shaker full of ice.
Yep. This is for 2.
Okay, we got top shelf tequila.
I'd call this an old lady margarita.
So would you say that's about 1.5 ounces of tequila in total?
2 ounces,
2 ounces.
for 2 people.
Okay.
And we're going light with the
Cointreau.
So we'll just do about half. And this is the simple syrup.
Okay, homemade simple syrup. I left that part out earlier.
About 1 ounce.
About 1 ounce of homemade simple syrup.
And then...
And this is hand squeezed lime juice.
Hand squeezed lime juice.
From the juice of 24 limes.
So this will be about 4 ounces altogether of lime juice.
Okay.
And then you're supposed to shake it for 30 seconds.
30 seconds. Starting now.
That's enough.
Okay. And we we have the rims already salted, I see.
Yeah. So. Oh, I should have put ice in there first.
Okay.
Uh-oh.
Okay. We're gonna add some ice.
Add some ice. Try and make that a little bit. Should have added the ice first.
Did you get your sea salt from Hawaii?
I didn't. Okay. And then.
Oh, and we got a Grand Marnier floater.
Oh,
big finish.
You might want to stop. Got to open
That's
it.
okay.
We could have added another ounce of lime juice.
Okay.
Okay, so what you're supposed to do is let the person. Now we're just doing half an ounce.
Okay.
We're going to just float it on top. Half an ounce, float it on top. Voila.
Oh, and we got the garnish.
Got the garnish. There you go.
Okay. Well, thanks for inviting us over, Badger.
Do you want to watch me put cheese and tomato on my crostini?
Yes.
Yes, you do?
Yep.
Okay. Okay, watch this. I don't want to be in the shot. I just want my hands.
Okay.
Can you do that?
Yep.
Are you ready?
Yep.
Okay. Look at that.
Ooh, I can smell it.
I know. Smell the garlic. Smell the basil.
How creamy that is.
Okay. That's enough.
Okay.
Want me to hold it for you?
That's okay. Oh, Badger likes some too. Thanks for watching another episode of Chappy's Tiki Bar. This is Mookie and I'm Chappy. We'll see you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar. Mookie. Mookie, here, look.